Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I want to offer a second reflection on Father Bill's homily from the weekend of September 21st and 22nd. I mentioned yesterday that in his homily, Father Bill mentioned that the God whom we worship is a God who desires fairness for all of his people. And another point that Father Bill made in his homily has to do with the relationship between charity and justice. Father Bill pointed out that this parish has a fantastic track record of doing the work of charity. A few weeks ago, we had Sign Up Sunday, the Sign Up Weekend, and it's amazing how many people go to nursing homes, who prepare meals for funerals, who participate in the St. Vincent de Paul Society, Women to Women. The list goes on and on and on. Catechesis and ministry here in the parish in terms of being a lector, a choir member, a server, a greeter, a guardian angel. The list goes on, and I know there's so many that I'm missing, and I apologize for that. And so this parish, as he said, is very good at doing the work of charity. And at the same time, he called us all to do more for the work of justice. He called us to challenge our government, to challenge our country, to challenge our economy and our society when they fail to live up to God's demand for justice. He called us to advocate for fairness as not only the call of the church to us, but also God's call to all of us. And so, once again, we are called to do more. As great as that is, we are called to do more than just the work of charity. We are called also by our God and by our church to do the work of justice. Thank you so much for watching today.